Hello, my beautiful people. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. You know, it's that time in the year, so I thought I'd surprise you guys with this Christmas light tutorial. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, we'll get started shortly. Alright, so I did these on French tips, so you know, go ahead and do to all 10, or if you want to do it on just a solid color, you know, whatever you decide for that part. But so it's just a little snippet of me finishing that up real quick. From then I used some black gel, I believe it's number 50 from Valentino, could be 48, don't quote me. But yeah, so I just used that to make the lines, which would technically be like the power strip, the power line, whatever the light bulbs are connected to. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and make a nice little swirl. You guys can also, you know, Google reference photos if you like, but I personally just made random, you know, little squiggly lines that I wanted the light bulbs to hang off of. I'm doing my general outline first, and then I'm gonna go back and, you know, make it a little darker and thicken it up just a little bit. All right, all done with that. So this next step is something that I'm doing for all of them. I'm taking some builder gel, some blue jelly, because it's the color I want the lights. So I'm doing this for all the colors for the light, but this is just one example. A little bit of base coat, and then I'm going to mix it because I didn't want it. I want it to be thicker, but I didn't want it to be too thick, so that's what the base coat was for. So I'm just going to mix that till it's the color that I want it to be. And I'm going to add a little bit of a darker blue. Like I said, it's just the color that I want my Christmas lights to be. I just recommend mixing it with jelly colors instead of regular polish, so that when you mix the glow powder in, you know, you'll see it. So that's what I just did, by the way. I added some glow pigment, and I just used the Valentino GlOW to mix in with the color that I'm using. And I did this for the other two colors as well. So this is for the blue light, evidently, and then I did it for red and yellow because those are the colors of my Christmas lights. So do the same step for those two colors. All right, so I did it for the red, and that's what we're doing here. And because we used the builder, the gel's a little bit thicker. This part of the video is gonna clear up, but I wanted to show you that I did the same steps for everything. So it's kind of thick because you want it to be like 3D. There we go. So you get a better look here, doing the same thing with the yellow. I'm putting a thicker glop down, and like I said, that's why we added the builder gel initially to our mixture, because you want it to be, you know, textured. Thick out here. Okay, you can really tell at this angle with the blue. This tutorial is really quick, guys, but you know, I thought it was cute and necessary. But yeah, so you can really see how thick it is with the blue. And, you know, to your discretion, you know, if you want your bulbs to be a little bit more 3D-like or textured or thicker, you know, add a little bit more builder gel. But for each color, I mix them with different glow pigments, so they'll glow a different color. So all that's cured, and I'm just going through and adding the little part the bulb sticks out of. I don't know what you call it, but that's what we're doing here. all these steps were repeated on all 10 nails. And yeah, so this is what they look like during the day. Still super cute and pretty. I like them. But when they glow, okay? When they glow though, just, see the magic. So I'm super proud of these and I love the way they came out. If you guys recreate this look, don't forget to tag me. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.